In this video, I will be giving you answers to this question: how do beginners get YouTube views? Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's get started. What kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. In this video, I am going to share with you 3 simple strategies that you can use right now to reach more people, get more views, and grow on YouTube, even if you are a beginner just getting started. Now, before I give you some strategies to get more views, let's talk about what counts as a view on YouTube. Each time a viewer intentionally initiates the playing of a video on their device and watches for at least 30 seconds, that counts as a view. Pretty simple. If you play your own video, that will be counted as a view. If a viewer watches your video more than once, each screening will be counted as a new view. That being said, refreshing over and over again to try to game the system will be detected by YouTube. Any views that take place with embedded YouTube videos or YouTube videos shared on Facebook will also be counted. Live views are counted on YouTube too. YouTube analytics are updated every day or two, so if you're not seeing an instant reflection of your activity, you can check back later. Let me give you some strategies to help you get more views. Let's start with strategy 1, which is to include some influential people in your videos in some way. You can also use images of people who have a lot of influence on your thumbnail designs to attract more attention and get more people to click and watch your video. A highly effective strategy which is used by many businesses is to work and collaborate with people who have a lot of influence and create content that is connected to people of high influence. As an example, for this, you can go to YouTube and do a search for video podcasting in the niche that you are in. There are more and more influential people on YouTube, so it is not too difficult to find people with a lot of influence on YouTube with video podcasting. A good example of this is Joe Rogan, as many of his videos rank very highly on YouTube. So what you can do is create some content and base it on a strategy that you have seen or heard about from Joe Rogan's video podcast. This way you are connecting your content with a person who has a lot of influence in the same industry. So this will help your content get more views. The important thing to keep in mind is that you need to create relevant and high quality content that helps people and then connect it in some way to the person with a lot of influence. This is a video trend that a lot of people do. Let me tell you about a big news influencer in the US called Phil DeFranco. Phil uses this type of video strategy on a regular basis. In many of his videos, he is constantly referencing high-profile influential people and celebrities such as Kim Kardashian, Mr. Beast, who is a very popular YouTuber today, and music stars like Taylor Swift. The key is to connect with these people of influence in some way within your actual video content, and also use a good quality image of these people in some creative way on your thumbnail. This is a clever way to draw more attention and get more views, as people are interested in people of influence and celebrities. There are some other influencers on YouTube, such as the Charisma on Command channel. This is a channel that is all about helping people become more confident and better with communicating. Many of the videos on this channel are in some way connected to people who have a lot of influence in the same industry as the video. They are people who have influence who are seen as credible experts in the niche that the video topic is about. If you go to the channel Charisma on Command and you take a look at the thumbnails on some of these videos, you may notice some pictures of celebrities on the thumbnail graphics. When you implement this type of strategy within your thumbnail design, this can help the video get more exposure, awareness, which turns into more clicks and more views. Let me tell you about another well-known figure in the digital marketing space, and that is Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary V, as he is known, is considered by many to be a person who has a lot of influence within the social media marketing and online marketing space. Now, you may not know this, but one of Gary's most popular videos, this video which is one of his most viewed, is with Tony Robbins. In case you don't know who Tony Robbins is, He is considered to be the #1 life coach in the world and probably the most influential person in the personal development industry. So with Gary Vee working with Tony Robbins in one of his videos to create the content, this method has probably got Gary Vee many more views and brand awareness, as there would be a lot of people interested in watching Tony Robbins. At this point, you may be thinking, how can I get an interview with a person of influence like this? Here is some good news for you. You actually do not need to know any person of influence, and you will not need to try and contact any person at all. Let me tell you about a YouTuber who used this strategy in a lot of his videos, and he has a lot of subscribers. His name is Evan Carmichael, and his YouTube channel, which is about helping people improve their lives and reaching the next level. Now, here is the interesting part about Evan's channel. One of his most viewed videos is a video that is about Tony Robbins' personal development tips. And this video is simply a compilation and collection of video clips that he found somewhere on the internet. This video with lots of views about Tony Robbins' personal development tips and strategies does not actually have Tony Robbins in the video at all. Let's talk about strategy 2, and this is to add more products in your videos and thumbnails. As you may know, one of the more challenging aspects of YouTube is when you are just starting out, hardly anybody knows who you are. But here is something interesting. It's very likely that these same people may well know the influential person or the influential product that you may have on your video thumbnail designs of your videos. So what you can do is use influential, well-known images of products and include them in your content and on the thumbnail design. For example, let's say you have a channel that is about technology and other digital media products. You can make your content about something like the best camera to use for making YouTube videos. Now, this could be a well-known Panasonic camera or something similar that many people will know about. If you use a high-quality image of this camera on your thumbnail design, it is quite likely to stand out and get more attention from people who have an interest in this product, or from people who are searching for information related to this product on YouTube search. So what this does, it creates a visual effect that will get your video more attention, and this will likely lead to more clicks and more views on your video. This product image strategy comes into effect because people are searching for videos about the best camera to use for making videos on YouTube search bar, and they then find one of your technology theme related videos in the process when they are looking for information related to that product. I want you to think about products being an influencer in this way. Let's say you make some quality content or a simple product review which is based on a specific camera, maybe something like the GoPro camera or perhaps a different device such as the Blendtec. What you are doing essentially is you are talking about the influence of this specific product, and this can make things more interesting. Let me tell you about a YouTuber today who is very well known, and that is Mr. Beast. He has built a massive following of subscribers on YouTube. A big part of his YouTube success has come from leveraging this type of strategy. If you do not know much about Mr. Beast, you can go and check him out. But let me tell you about one of his videos. He made a video which is about how to build the largest Lego tower. Now here is how it works for his video. As you know, Lego are a big global brand, so Mr. Beast has used this strategy and connected his video of building the largest Lego tower with the global brand Lego, and this has most likely got more people to pay attention to his video and got him more views. It is the brand awareness of the Lego brand that has likely helped him get lots of more views from this type of video. I want to tell you something important to keep in mind when creating videos with this strategy. If you choose to include people of influence or you want to include products of influence into your video content, then I highly suggest that you do this in an authentic way. Please understand, I am not talking about clickbait titles, influencer hijacking or news trends here. In this regard, I am talking about respectfully connecting and integrating your content with people of influence and trends. This is important with your content marketing strategy to work with influencers and people in a respectful manner. Let's talk about strategy 3, and this is going to help you if you want to get more views on the videos that you make faster, and this is to use search-based content. After Google, YouTube is still the second largest search engine in the world, and if you want to get more attention, more clicks and more views on your videos, then you need to include well-researched keywords very strategically in your video titles. Doing this can help you get more views. Here is another strategy to help you get more views. Multiply your views by creating playlists. Organizing and creating video playlists on YouTube is the best way to minimize the chances that a viewer will move on to another channel once they've consumed your content. Why is this? Because playlists go by the same rules as Netflix. As soon as one video ends, the next begins. Since you've already done the hard work of helping your viewer find your video, click on it and watch the entire thing, it makes sense to guide them towards the video content they're going to want next. Make sure you don't forget to check out the link down below to the YouTube channel Hacker Online course. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career with YouTube and provide you with the training and the knowledge you'll need to launch a profitable business from start to finish and give you the edge over the competition. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under the video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.